Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the Reprocess Switch History function within the Switch Details screen. In this video, we will start on a Switch History screen. For more information regarding the Switch History screen, please refer to the EDI Switch History user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a desired invoice of the patient. Click on the View Response button, which is now visible. The Switch Details screen will open. For more information regarding the Switch Details screen, please refer to the EDI Switch Response user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Reprocess Switch History button. Please note that clicking the Reprocess Switch History button will result in an immediate reprocessing of the claim. Click on a Close button to exit the Switch Details screen without saving. Click on a Save and Close drop-up menu for more saving options. The Save button allows the user to save any changes made without closing the form. The Save Lines to New Macro button allows the user to create a new macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Save and Close button to save the changes made on the Switch Details screen and return to the Switch History screen.